Isotopes and their application. In nature, it is found that many elements have atoms with same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Such atoms of the same elements are called isotopes. Many elements have isotopes, and a mixture of them is present in the element. For example, carbon exists in two isotopic forms, 12 carbon and 14 carbon. The number of neutrons in isotopes is different. The chemical properties of isotopes are the same, though the physical properties may differ. Uses of isotopes. Isotopes are widely used for different purposes. Uranium-235 is used for nuclear fission and production of energy. Isotopes of some elements are used in the medical treatment of deadly diseases like cancer. 131 iodine is used in the treatment of goiter, a disease of the thyroid gland. Isobars. Potassium atom has 19 protons and 21 neutrons in its nucleus. Calcium atom has 20 protons and 20 neutrons in its nucleus. Argon atom's nucleus contains 18 protons and 22 neutrons. What are the atomic mass numbers of potassium, calcium and argon? The atomic mass number of potassium is 40. The atomic mass number of calcium is 40. And the atomic mass number of argon is 40. There are a number of different elements whose atomic mass numbers are same. Such atoms are called isobars. In this example, potassium 40, calcium 40 and argon 40 are isobars.